my channel where I drop travel and food gems every week. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a travel or food gem. And today I'm coming to you with a room tour. Normally I just give you guys the room tour, but I want to be able to give you a little bit more information in detail. So we stayed at 2 different hotels during my trip to Paris. Both of them were free stays. So the first hotel, my friend covered it with hers. The second hotel, I covered it with mine. But I want to be able to go over both hotels with you and how I was able to stay for free. So my second half of the trip in Paris, we stayed at the Hilton Canopy using my Hilton Honors reward points. It was 80,000 points per night. We had a complimentary upgrade so that we can have an Eiffel Tower view. So they did not have any twins available, so we had to do a king bed, but it was still 80,000 points a night. Now I'm going to leave the conversion to the 80,000 points to dollars down below, so you can get that information in the description box. Now let's get to the room tour.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.
And you know I love to stay at Hilton's because you know I love to use those Hilton rewards points. And you know when it's a small stay, I love to gain more points for future stays. So if you want to look into more into the Hilton Surpass card, which is what I have, I'm going to leave a link to it down below and you can click on it. And if you decide to sign up, we'll both get points. Now this is my second trip of the year where my hotel stay was free. The first one was Cabo. I stayed at 2 different Hilton resorts. That stay was free. Now I'm in Paris and my Paris stay is free. So I'm telling you, these are doable vacations. You just have to strategize, get those bonus points. So if you have any questions about free hotel stays, how I'm able to travel for free using my reward points, make sure you drop that down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy traveling.